Did you know that certain cleaning habits might be keeping abundance and good energy from flowing into your home? Have you ever wondered why, despite doing everything right, you still feel stuck or find that things just aren't going your way? It might surprise you to learn that even small actions, like leaving clutter in certain areas or holding on to broken items, could have a significant impact on your home's energy and, by extension, your luck and well-being. In Buddhist teachings, our surroundings mirror our inner world. When we neglect our space or allow stagnant energy to build up, it reflects attachments and resistance in our own lives, making it harder for good fortune and positive energy to find us. Imagine your home as a canvas of your mind. When it's clear, balanced, and harmonious, it invites opportunities, joy, and abundance. But when it's cluttered and stagnant, it can lead to feelings of heaviness, blockages, and even bad luck. Today, we'll be exploring 11 common cleaning mistakes that may be attracting poverty and negative energy into your life. From holding on to broken items to letting dust collect in hidden corners, each of these seemingly small oversights has a profound effect on your energy and the flow of abundance in your home. So, if you're ready to discover which cleaning habits you may need to change and how small adjustments can bring positivity and prosperity into your space, stay with me until the end. This isn't just about cleaning, it's about creating a sacred space that nourishes and supports your spirit. In Buddhism, maintaining a clean and harmonious space is more than a physical task. It's a powerful act of mindfulness and spiritual renewal. Cleanliness is seen as a direct extension of our inner clarity and mental peace, encouraging us to let go of attachments and create space for positive energy to flow. Think of it as clearing the pathways for new beneficial experiences and energies to come into your life. When we let our surroundings become cluttered, messy, or unclean, we're unconsciously inviting stagnant energy to linger. This isn't just about the physical mess. It's about the mental and emotional heaviness that accumulates in these spaces. Clutter can symbolize attachment, dust represents neglect, and broken items serve as reminders of things we may be holding on to that no longer serve us. Each of the habits we'll explore today not only keeps your home feeling vibrant and alive, but also aligns you with the Buddhist principle of detachment. By mindfully letting go of what's unnecessary, we create a balanced, welcoming space that attracts abundance, peace, and well-being. Are you ready to dive in? Let's uncover the 11 cleaning mistakes that may be blocking positive energy from reaching you, and learn how you can bring about powerful changes simply by shifting your approach to cleaning. 1. Holding on to broken or damaged items. Many of us keep broken or damaged items, thinking we might repair them someday. But often, these items linger in our homes, collecting dust and draining our space of positive energy. Broken things serve as a reminder of what's incomplete or in disrepair, subtly influencing our mindset and even our luck. In Buddhism, holding on to what is broken can represent attachment and a resistance to letting go. By keeping these items around, we may unintentionally cling to the past or to things that no longer serve us. This attachment not only creates physical clutter, but also blocks the flow of new, positive energy that invites prosperity and peace. Consider releasing these items by either repairing them or discarding them if they're beyond repair. As you do this, visualize yourself letting go of any stagnant energy and opening up to new opportunities. Say to yourself, I release what no longer serves me and welcome fresh, positive energy into my life. By removing what's broken, you're not just cleaning your home, you're making space for growth, prosperity, and abundance. 2. Letting dust and dirt accumulate in corners. It's easy to overlook corners and hidden areas during our regular cleaning routine. However, dust and dirt that accumulate in these spots can create a sense of stagnation, making the energy in your home feel heavy and neglected. Just as we often have hidden emotions or thoughts that we avoid confronting, these untouched corners reflect what's left unresolved. In Buddhist philosophy, cleanliness is a reflection of clarity. When we allow dirt and dust to collect, especially in overlooked spaces, we unintentionally invite stagnation into our environment and lives. These neglected spaces are like mental cobwebs, subtly affecting our mood, motivation, and even financial flow. Take time to thoroughly clean corners and hidden spaces, imagining you're sweeping away old, stuck energy. As you clean, visualize your home filling with vibrant, fresh energy, open to abundance. You might even say an affirmation while you clean, such as, "I invite light and prosperity into every corner of my life." This simple practice not only refreshes your space, but also renews your energy and invites positivity. 3. Cluttered entryway. Explanation. The entryway is the first place you and others see when entering your home, making it one of the most important areas for setting the tone and energy of your space. A cluttered entryway can block the smooth flow of energy, giving a chaotic first impression and symbolizing barriers to new opportunities. In Buddhist teachings, the entryway can be viewed as the mouth of your home, where energy enters. If this area is cluttered, it symbolizes a blockage in receiving good fortune and blessings. The entryway should welcome positive energy into your life, creating an open path for prosperity, peace, and new beginnings. Clear out shoes, bags, and unnecessary items from your entryway. Make it an inviting, open space. Add a plant or a small symbol of prosperity, something that makes you feel joyful each time you step inside. As you clear this space, affirm, "I welcome positivity and abundance into my life." This simple shift can create a warm, welcoming energy that brings more opportunities to your doorstep. 4. Ignoring the kitchen sink and drain. The kitchen sink is a high-traffic area where food, water, and waste accumulate, making it easy for negative energy to gather here if it's not cleaned regularly. A clogged or dirty drain can become a symbol of blocked flow in your life, affecting not only the energy in your home, but also the natural flow of prosperity and health. In Buddhist philosophy, flowing water represents the movement of energy and life. When the sink and drain are clean and free-flowing, they support the harmonious flow of energy through your home, allowing good fortune and health to flourish. A blocked or dirty drain, however, is a metaphor for areas in our lives where energy is stuck and unable to move forward, leading to stagnation. Make a habit of thoroughly cleaning your sink and drain. Use natural cleaning agents, like vinegar and baking soda, to keep them fresh and free of buildup. As you clean, imagine releasing any blockages in your life. Picture opportunities and abundance flowing freely toward you. You can say, "I welcome clarity and flow into my life." By keeping this area clean, you're promoting a smoother, more prosperous flow of energy throughout your home and life. 5. Leaving mirrors uncleaned. Mirrors are often overlooked when it comes to cleaning, but they play a significant role in the energy of a space. Dirty or smudged mirrors can distort reflections and contribute to a feeling of cloudiness or confusion. In a sense, mirrors are believed to reflect the energy within a room, so keeping them clean is essential for maintaining clarity and positivity. In Buddhist teachings and other spiritual practices, mirrors symbolize self-reflection and clarity. When we allow them to gather dust or remain unclear, it may reflect a lack of clarity within ourselves. Clean, clear mirrors can promote self-awareness, balance, and a healthy flow of energy throughout the home. Make it a routine to clean your mirrors with care, using a gentle cloth and natural cleaning solutions. As you wipe away smudges and dust, visualize yourself removing any mental fog or negativity. Picture a sense of clarity and purpose being restored in your life. You might affirm, "I see my life with clarity and welcome positive energy." This simple act can transform your mirrors into powerful tools for enhancing light, self-reflection, and positivity in your home. 6. Neglecting windows and allowing them to become dirty. Windows represent our view of the outside world. When windows are neglected and covered in dust, grime, or streaks, it's like having a clouded perspective on life. Dirty windows can make a home feel darker and more closed off, symbolizing blocked vision and missed opportunities. In Buddhism, the concept of right view is essential to spiritual growth. Clean, clear windows can serve as a metaphor for seeing life clearly and without obstruction. By maintaining clean windows, you create a positive connection between your inner self and the world outside, encouraging a clear and optimistic outlook on life. Regularly clean your windows, both inside and out, to allow light and fresh energy to enter your home. As you clean, visualize yourself wiping away any mental blocks or negative thoughts, opening yourself up to new opportunities and perspectives. You can say, "I welcome light, clarity, and new opportunities into my life." Clean windows create a brighter, more inviting space that supports a positive flow of energy and an open view toward future possibilities. 7. Overloading storage spaces and closets. When we stuff closets, cabinets, and storage spaces to the brim, it creates a feeling of heaviness and restriction. Overloading these spaces often leads to a chaotic and disorganized environment, making it hard to find things and creating unnecessary stress. Holding on to excessive items, even if hidden away, symbolizes an attachment to things we don't truly need. In Buddhist teachings, letting go of attachments is fundamental to achieving inner peace. An overfilled closet or storage space represents an inability to release unnecessary possessions. By keeping these spaces organized and only holding on to what's truly needed, we make room for fresh energy and new experiences in our lives. Take time to declutter your storage spaces, letting go of items that no longer serve you. As you clear out these areas, visualize yourself releasing outdated thoughts, old habits, or any emotional baggage. You might affirm, "I create space for growth, peace, and abundance in my life." An organized and spacious closet or storage area not only makes daily life easier, but also opens up room for positive energy to flow freely throughout your home. 8. Allowing clutter to accumulate under the bed. The space under the bed is often overlooked and becomes a storage area for unused items or forgotten clutter. However, clutter under the bed can disrupt sleep, as it symbolizes unresolved issues or emotional baggage that lingers. This hidden clutter can lead to restlessness and may even impact our mental clarity over time. In Buddhism and other spiritual practices, sleep is a sacred time for rejuvenation and mental peace. By keeping the area under the bed clear, we're allowing the energy to flow freely and supporting a restful, undisturbed sleep. Clutter under the bed represents unresolved attachments and can interfere with this essential healing process. Clear out everything stored under your bed, keeping only the essentials or, if possible, leaving it entirely empty. As you remove items, imagine yourself releasing any unresolved emotions or thoughts, creating a space for calm and restorative sleep. Say an affirmation such as, "I release what I no longer need and invite peaceful rest and renewal." By keeping this area clear, you're encouraging both physical and emotional relaxation, creating a sanctuary for rejuvenation. 9. Ignoring the bathroom's cleanliness. The bathroom is a space for cleansing and renewal, yet it's easy to let it fall into neglect, allowing mold, grime, or clutter to build up. An unclean bathroom can become a source of negative energy, affecting our mood and overall sense of well-being. In many spiritual practices, the bathroom symbolizes purification and release, so it's essential to keep it clean and fresh. In Buddhism, water symbolizes purification and clarity. A clean bathroom reflects a clear mind and an openness to renewal. When we allow dirt or clutter to accumulate in this space, it can reflect an inner resistance to letting go of past negativity or unresolved emotions. By keeping the bathroom clean, we invite a flow of positive energy and embrace a mindset of continuous renewal. Make it a priority to clean your bathroom regularly, focusing on removing any mold, dust, or clutter. As you clean, visualize yourself washing away any stress, worries, or negative energy. You can say an affirmation like, "I cleanse my life of negativity and welcome clarity and peace." A clean bathroom not only promotes physical hygiene, but also supports emotional and spiritual renewal, making it a refreshing space in your home. 10. Allowing dust to settle on sacred or meaningful items. We often have items in our home that hold special meaning, whether they're photos, spiritual symbols, or mementos. When these items are left to gather dust, it's as if their energy becomes stagnant, and their significance fades. Dust on these meaningful items can also reflect neglect of the positive energy and memories they represent. In Buddhism, it's believed that symbols, images, or objects that carry personal or spiritual meaning should be treated with respect and care. By keeping these items clean and honoring their place in our lives, we keep their energy vibrant and invite their positive influence into our daily routines. Make a habit of regularly dusting and caring for these meaningful objects. As you clean, take a moment to reflect on their significance and the positive energy they bring to your life. You might say an affirmation like, "I honor the love, wisdom, and blessings in my life." This simple practice keeps the energy of these items active and reminds you of their uplifting role in your life, inviting ongoing blessings and positivity. 11. Leaving trash bins overflowing or unattended. It can be easy to overlook overflowing trash bins, especially if they're out of sight. However, an overflowing bin not only creates an unpleasant environment, but also symbolizes accumulation of unwanted, stagnant energy. Allowing trash to pile up represents a reluctance to let go of negativity or outdated beliefs, blocking new energy and abundance from entering your life. In Buddhist teachings, letting go of what no longer serves us is essential to creating space for positivity and growth. An overflowing trash bin is a physical manifestation of unprocessed thoughts and emotions. By regularly emptying and cleaning trash bins, we practice releasing what's unnecessary, creating space for fresh, beneficial energy. Make it a habit to empty your trash bins regularly and clean them when needed. As you dispose of the trash, visualize yourself releasing any negativity or emotional baggage you're holding onto. You might affirm, "I release all that no longer serves me," making space for joy, peace, and abundance. Keeping this habit ensures a continual flow of positive energy and reinforces the principle of mindful detachment. Conclusion. As we've seen, cleaning is more than just a routine chore. It's an act of self-care and mindfulness that can profoundly impact the energy and harmony within your home. By making small changes like clearing clutter, dusting sacred items, and maintaining a clean and inviting space, you're setting the stage for abundance, positivity, and growth in your life. Each cleaning practice we discussed connects to a deeper spiritual principle, reminding us that our external environment reflects our internal world. Imagine your home as a sanctuary, a space where peace, prosperity, and joy flow freely. With each intentional cleaning step, you're not just tidying up, you're opening the door to new opportunities and creating a space where good fortune and harmony can thrive. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Which of these cleaning habits surprised you the most? Or is there a specific area in your home you feel inspired to transform after watching this video? Share your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to know how this resonates with you. If you found these insights helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who might benefit from these practices. By creating a mindful, welcoming space, we can invite more abundance and positivity into our lives, and we can help others do the same. Thank you for watching, and remember, a clean space is a clear mind. Let's continue this journey of inner and outer harmony together.